Hey Learning Birds, this is Mr. Ozarka with another lesson brought to you by LearningBird.com. If you have any questions about the following video, you can email me at mrozarka@gmail.com. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is going to be a video on sketching the views of objects. First, let's start with what views actually are. Views are basically the two-dimensional shape that can be created by looking at a three-dimensional shape from a certain perspective. These perspectives are generally front, side, and top views. Let's look at an example using a triangular prism. I will be using the net of a triangular prism to explain this a little bit better. The front view would be based on this part of the prism. It is simply a triangle. If this is considered the front view, then the side view would be 90 degrees from that front view rotating horizontally. The side view would be a rectangle. Lastly, we'll look at the top view. It helps to have the net of the prism to show how the top view is basically two adjacent rectangles, like so. Let's look at another example. Here is a square pyramid. We need to sketch the front, side, and top views of this pyramid. The front view, located here, would simply be a triangle. The side view would also be a triangle, and the top view would have an outline of a square, but with the lines from the edges of the shape that lead to the middle. The last example we're going to be looking at is going to be a cylinder. The front, side, and top views are labeled as follows. The front view would be a rectangle. This seems like it wouldn't be the case, but ignoring the curving and just focusing on the outline yields that shape of a rectangle. The side view looks the exact same as the front view in this case. The top view would simply be a circle because that's what's on top of the cylinder. So you might be thinking, who cares about sketching views of objects? Well, not only is it healthy for the spatial reasoning of your brain to think in such ways, it's also utilized in anything related to blueprints or drafting drawings. This includes such things as construction sites, building houses, skyscrapers, etc. So that's sketching views of objects. If you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know. And if you thought this lesson helped you, please be sure to click "This was helpful." For other great lessons, be sure to check out LearningBird.com.